Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making easy chicken pot pie in a Power XL air fryer grill combo. Alright, I'm starting out in a large bowl and I'm going to put in one 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup. It's going to be a really easy one. And I have my Power XL preheated. It's over there yelling at me to add the food in. And I'm also going to add in 8 ounces of sour cream, and this is a 16 ounce container. Okay, that's looking about right. I'm going to add in some salt. I'm going to go for about 2 teaspoons. I'm going to add in some black pepper. And guys, if you don't have a Power XL, you can do this in a 9x13 baking pan in the oven. That's about a teaspoon of pepper. Now I have roughly 2 chicken breasts here I shredded up. I boiled first and then shredded. I'm going to get that in there. And I'm going to add in some mixed vegetables. I'm going to add in about 1.5 cups of mixed vegetables. That's looking about good. And I'm going to add in about 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Yeah, we're going to add the food in there in a minute, guys. Be quiet. Alrighty. So I'm going to add in my cheese. I'm going to give this a quick stir to get everything blended together. Okay, now I'm going to add in about 1 cup of milk, and I'm just eyeballing this. I'm just stirring everything together. Alright, I'm going to go dump this in a Power XL and I'll take you guys over there in a minute. Okay, now that I have my chicken mixture in a Power XL, I have 1 can of biscuits that I cut into quarters. I'm going to go ahead and dump the biscuits in there. And I'm just going to go ahead and stir them down into the chicken mixture. How much jail time do you get for killing a small kitchen appliance? This guy's getting on my nerves. Alright, now that I have my biscuits down in here, I have to set at 350 for 30 minutes on the bake setting. We're going to allow this to bake for 30 minutes. I'll keep an eye out to make sure it doesn't get too dark. And then it should be good to go. Alright guys, this is done. It took about 20-25 minutes, and I stirred it occasionally while I was cooking. This is ready to go. Let's go and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. You can see the biscuits nice and golden brown. It's a piece of chicken, tender. Vegetables are cooked through a little bit of crisp on them, but they're not raw or cold. You get the creaminess of that cream soup, the sour cream, and you get the cheddar cheese coming through. Alright, there you have it. Easy chicken pot pie in the Power XL air fryer grill combo. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.